In your packaging, you'll find the 4 bushings. One of them, generally the bushing on this side nearest the F hole, also contains an earth wire. So before you put this in place, it's very important that you find the earth wire in your packaging. It will generally be a black coated PVC coated wire. You need to, if it's not already, strip the end off a little bit, feather the wires out. The wires basically need to sit hard against the outside of this bushing. So what I would normally do, as you can see, the wire's already in place here. You'll notice a small hole in the side of one of these holes for the bushing. So you'll thread that earth wire through, and then feather out the individual wires at the end here, and then you'll install this bushing while keeping that wire hard up against it. So basically it's able to earth out on the bushing itself.